I honestly don't know how I sell more than one house in a month because it is so stressful to pack up the house and call the movers and get it all done. But one story that really stands out in my history of real estate sales is one time I had a client, he forgot a gun at the house. It was an honest mistake. The gun wasn't loaded, but of all buyers, we sold the house to a police officer. So within a few hours of the closing, I get the call, Angela, they left their gun. And I said, where was it? Because I walked the house with the sellers. It looked like we had everything. Apparently, this seller, good friend of mine, is vertically challenged like I am. She had no clue that her husband had a gun for safekeeping, just in case, at the very top back of the closet. So of course she couldn't see it. And she was busy, getting everything into the boxes, and it was Murphy's Law, the time of the year was a busy time of year, and they were buying and selling at the same time. So that's double the stress. So yes, Janie forgot her gun and the spice rack, but we got them back to my seller, and we didn't have a good laugh about it until a few years later. But yes, remember to maybe pack the gun as one of those burst items, or get a bigger ladder, if you're short like me.